Hi, I'm Omar Fathy, Adobe expert and Adobe instructor, and I'm coming today to discuss and explain how to make numbers for your tables, to make a calendar, to make a table like what we are going to do. Okay, we usually use bullets and numbering for paragraphs. So we can select our paragraph from here and click bullet or click numbers. Okay, now we are going to make numbers but for our cells here. Okay, just few steps to make that. First step, click on your cell and click on numbers icon. Second step, no paragraphs here to be numbered, so we should make something to say to InDesign that here is a paragraph, but we must not have text here. We want to have a paragraph without any letters, any character. So just press spacebar. You don't need a spacebar. Right click and insert special character and other and nested style. Just nothing here, but there's anything to say to InDesign that here is a paragraph. Okay, if you want to adjust your numbers, alt and click here and delete your dot and tab codes from here and press OK. Now we are in handy numbers, so you can select your cell, change your font family, make it Myriad Pro, regular, make it in the center, change your font style for bold or anything. Yeah. So first step, make numbers for your cell. Second step, copy it from here. Copy your not your text. Copy your cell. Control C, and go to select other cells. Press Control V. Yeah, just like that. Okay. How can make it other time, but for this calendar? Just we say that the month will start in Monday. So press numbers. Second, press space bar or insert and the nested style, like that. Adjust your text and font family and just like that. Made Pro regular. Adjust your and edit your bullet's number from here. Just click here and alt and click on your bullet icon. Change the dot, remove dot and tab code. Press OK. Select it to adjust your font again. Make it in center, vertical and horizontal. Copy and paste your number, just like that. You have a calendar. In the other month, you can copy it. Changes first and end of your month, just like that. Our next month will start on Wednesday. So here we can remove those two cells and copy those cells, Ctrl C, and paste it here or here. Just copy and paste to make your calendar. No more steps.